In the iDatum window, if you see a warning on the USB camera icon, here's how to fix it. Case 1. Unstable hardware link. Lock the micro-B connector firmly to the camera. If it gets loose, re-plug it and lock it tightly again. Case 2. Driver problem. First, the driver is installed but incorrectly recognized. Open Control Panel, go to Device Manager, and select the correct driver for the camera. Second, if the driver is not installed, run driverinstallationtool.exe to install it. Follow these steps and your USB camera will work smoothly in iDatum.